Do not waste your time to build a faceless YouTube channel that will not get monetized. Or better still, after getting monetized, they will demonetize the channel and then still go ahead and block your YouTube channel. Right now, YouTube is massively demonetizing a lot of AI faceless channel. And I don't want you to do that same mistake that you have spent time, spent energy and everything to build up your channel. And once you get to the monetization, you will not be monetized. Or even if you get monetized, after a few months, your channel will go down. Please, this is what you need to do so that you will avoid it as early as possible. Here is a faceless YouTube channel. I actually asked Google Gemini to review and let me know if it will actually pass YouTube monetization policy. And you'll be amazed, this is what Google Gemini has to tell me. So I said, kindly review this faceless YouTube channel and let me know if it will pass YouTube monetization policy. And then I went ahead and dropped the link to the YouTube channel. And look at what he said. He said, based on an analysis of the channel and YouTube 2024 to 2025 monetization policies, here is a review of whether it will likely pass the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Now, it's a bottom line. The channel is currently in a high risk category. While faceless channels are allowed, YouTube has significantly tightened its stance on reuse content and repetition/inauthentic content. So YouTube is not actually against faceless channel, but what they are actually saying is that people are not putting in the work. What they do is just to take other people's work, do a compilation, maybe add music or robotic voiceover and then post it, and they'll start generating a lot of views. And once they reach that monetization stage, they will not be monetized. Or even if they monetize, one day they will struck the channel and it will go down. So they are not against faceless channel, they are not against AI, but they are against you not putting in the work, not making it to be original. So even if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, you need to make it to be original from what other people have actually done there. And of course, there is nothing new. Almost whatever we are doing, someone else must have done it before. But make your own to be original, right? Like this video I'm doing now, somebody else, thousands of persons must have done it, right? But once you do it to be original from you, not taking their own content and then uploading it to get paid for it, that is what YouTube is actually against. Now let me show you the final stuff they said here. They said, conclusion: if the channel is simply a compilation of machinery clips with text, music, it has 90% chances of being rejected for reused content. That is the reason, meaning that the content has already been used before, so you are simply reusing the content, right? And he said to fix this, you must add, this is the recommendation now, to fix this you must add narrative voiceovers and focus on educational storytelling rather than just cool clips, right? So what I understand in all of this, I have a lot of other channels, both faceless and on-camera channels, right? So what I started doing in most of them is that I use human voiceover. In as much as you can use a voiceover from AI, remember that a lot of persons are also using that voiceover. And with time, they will actually detect that this is AI voiceover. Once a lot of persons keep using it, they will definitely detect that is AI voiceover. So you want to do a faceless YouTube channel, my recommendation to you is this: please, you can use your own voice, record your own voice as the voiceover, then add it to the clips or whatever you are compiling with text, animation and all of those stuff, and it will definitely do what? Pass the YouTube monetization policy. So this is the best way you can actually start a faceless YouTube channel in this 2026, right? So go ahead, record your own voice, do a screen recording of what you are talking about or the compilation of everything you want to talk. Use your own voice and narrate the story, tell the story, make it more educational, and then you are very, very safe to meet the monetization requirement. But if you think you can do everything using AI, I can assure you that one day they will come after your channel, and it's either they demonetize you or they can even go ahead and delete your channel from their platform. So it's better you did the right thing from the beginning than to do the wrong thing and cry tomorrow. So this is what you just need to do using the recommendation that Google Gemini has given me, and I think that recommendation is far good enough. Use a narrative voiceover, make it educational, and make it storytelling, and your channel will pass monetization policy, and you have no need to worry about getting demonetized or getting your channel deleted from YouTube platform. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that you will not be missing any of my updates. Like this video, share this video. See you in the next update.